Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss our revision worksheet. Actually, we have been completed our syllabus, and since from today you will receive your revision worksheets. And today we will discuss our worksheet 73, which is a revision worksheet of chemical reaction and equations. So first of all, we will come to know about the chemical reaction. That is a process in which new substance with the new properties are formed from one or more substance. When the process in which two substance, see, if we take the example of these two reactant, when they combine to form this water as a product, the properties of these two are completely different from this. So that process in which a new substance is formed which have the new properties are called as chemical reaction. Okay, these are called reactant, this is product. Okay, so digestion of food, rusting of iron, respiration, burning of magnesium ribbon, they all are formation of good, they all are chemical reaction. Example of chemical reaction: chemical equation. Respiration is a chemical respiration is chemical equation representing a chemical equation or reaction using the symbol of element or the chemical formula of the reactant and product. For example, see, if we take the example of this magnesium ribbon when combined, or magnesium metal when react with oxygen will give you magnesium oxide. If we balance this, then this is a balanced chemical reaction of magnesium oxide. So this kind of representation is called as chemical equation, in which we use symbols. Okay, next, balancing of the chemical equation. If we balance the reactant and product size is called as a balanced chemical reaction. See, if we take the example of iron react with water to give you iron oxide plus hydrogen. See, here we have iron, hydrogen and oxygen. This is reactant, this is product. Iron we have 1 3 this side, hydrogen we have, this is 2, and here we have 4. Oxygen here we have 1, and here we have 4. See, if we multiply with 3, it is balanced. If we multiply this with 4, it is again balanced. So we have to write 4. Keep in mind, we have always write like a multiple coefficient, you can say, and not we cannot write anything to here. We have to write just like coefficient of that particular element or compound. So this is, we have 4, we have to write 4. We have this Fe3O4, so hydrogen become 8, we have to write 4 over here to make it 8. So 4 and 2. Okay, so this is the way you can this is the way we can write this chemical equation. Okay, so next, identify the chemical changes. Melting of ice is physical change, conversion of milk into curd is chemical change. Write down the balanced chemical equation for each of the following. Silver chloride is decomposed in the presence of sunlight and give rise to the silver and chlorine gas. See, if you write silver chloride AgCl, okay, when it is converted into, in the presence of sunlight, it is converted into Ag plus Cl2. Okay, so you have to balance this, put this 2 in front of everything. So first, chemical oxide react with water. Chemical oxide CaO when react with water will give you CaOH whole twice, right? CaO plus water will give you CaOH whole twice. Third, we have sodium hydroxide reacts with HCl will give you NaCl. This is neutralization reaction. Dilute hydrochloric acid is added to the copper oxide will give you copper chloride CuCl2 plus water. Then you have to balance this chemical reaction, like here we have 2 and 2, then you have to put 2, so it will become balanced chemical reaction. Next we have action of barium chloride, BaCl2. Action of barium chloride when react with sodium sulfate, NaSO4. It will give you barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. Next we have zinc react with silver nitrate and it will give you zinc nitrate plus silver. So zinc when react with silver nitrate will give you zinc nitrate whole twice plus silver. You have to put 2 to make it balance. Okay, AgNO3. I will write it again for you. See, zinc when react with silver nitrate will give you zinc nitrate plus silver. Okay, so for that you have to balance this. If you have, here we have nitrate 2, so you have to write 2 over here. So to balance it you have to write 2 in front of this also. Next, potassium iodide reacts with lead nitrate to produce potassium nitrate and lead iodide. Potassium iodide when reacts with lead nitrate will give you potassium nitrate plus lead iodide. So then you have to balance this by putting this 2 or 2 over here. Okay, next, give the balanced chemical equations for each of the following chemical reactions showing the evolution of gas. If you write zinc when react with HCl will give you ZnCl2 plus H2 gas evolve. Okay, change in the substance color during the chemical reaction. Okay, so then you will write any of the chemical reaction. You can write even this also, in which lead nitrate PbNO3, right, lead nitrate converted into, when react with sodium, potassium iodide will convert it into potassium nitrate and lead iodide. This form PPT, which precipitate, called as PPT, called as precipitate, which is a semi-solid curd-like substance settle down at the bottom of the test tube during the chemical reaction. Next we have chemical reaction showing the change in temperature. For this we have calcium oxide when react with water form calcium hydroxide. This is an exothermic reaction. So this is all about your today's worksheet. I hope you understand it. Thank you very much, students.